Hello, kids. We are starting a new chapter, chapter number 2, Continents and Oceans, from the book Social Science 4. These are the learning objectives, continents, and then oceans. Next, we have experiential learning warm up. On the world map given below, write the color of each of the following. So, this is a world map picture given. We have to write the color. Okay. First, color of the seas and oceans. So, the color of seas and ocean is obviously blue. Here you can see the blue part, right? And the second color of the continents, the color of the continents is brownish somewhere and somewhere is greenish, so brown and green. Okay, the earth's surface is made up of land and water. Nearly 70% part of the earth is covered with water. It forms the rivers, lakes, oceans and seas, and the remaining huge land masses are called continents. जो अर्थ का सरफेस है उसमें लैंड एंड वाटर दोनों हैं, इनसे मिलकर बना है. नियरली 70% पार्ट जो है अर्थ का दैट इज कवर्ड विद वाटर, एंड इसके अंदर रिवर्स, लेक्स, ओशन, सीज सब आते हैं. एंड जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट है, लैंड मास है, इसको हम कॉन्टिनेंट्स कहते हैं. ओके, next we have continents. Continents are vast land masses that are surrounded by water. There are 7 continents on the earth. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the largest continent on the earth. Australia is the smallest. Each continent has many countries. Each country has cities, towns and villages. सो जो कॉन्टिनेंट्स है वास्ट लैंड मासेस है जो कि वाटर से सराउंड करती है, एंड 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स है अर्थ में. दीज आर दी 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स. एशिया इज द लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज द स्मॉलेस्ट वन. हर एक कॉन्टिनेंट में बहुत सारी कंट्रीज है एंड हर एक कंट्रीज में बहुत सारे सिटीज, टाउन्स एंड विलेजेस है. North America and Europe lies completely in the northern hemisphere. Almost all of Asia lies in the northern hemisphere. Only a small portion juts out into the southern hemisphere. Africa and South America lies in the hemisphere. Australia and Antarctica lie in the southern hemisphere. Antarctica and Australia are the only 2 continents that are completely surrounded by water. Antarctica is the continent that is completely covered with ice throughout the year. सो नॉर्थ अमेरिका एंड यूरोप ये कम्प्लीटली लाई करते हैं नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में, एंड ऑलमोस्ट ज़्यादातर पार्ट एशिया का वो भी नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में, बस थोड़ा सा स्मॉल पोर्शन वो साउथ सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में बेसिकली आता है. एंड जो अफ्रीका, साउथ अमेरिका है, ये हेमिस्फीयर में, दोनों हेमिस्फीयर में लाई करते हैं. ओके, एंड जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया है, अंटार्कटिका है, ये सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में लाई करते हैं. अंटार्कटिका एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया दोनों कॉन्टिनेंट कंप्लीटली सराउंडेड है विद द वाटर. एंड अंटार्कटिका एक ऐसी कॉन्टिनेंट है जो थ्रू आउट द ईयर आइस से कवर्ड रहती है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव फैक्ट फाइल. ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ओशिनिया. ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हम ओशिनिया भी कहते हैं. Next, critical thinking time to do answer in short. First, name the 7 continents. The 7 continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. You can write this answer by yourself. Then second, name the biggest and the smallest continent. The biggest continent is Asia and the smallest continent is Australia. This one as well you can write it by yourself. Then third, name the continent that is also called Oceania. The continent that is also called Oceania is Australia. We are done with this. Okay, then next we have oceans. Oceans are huge water bodies. There are 5 oceans in the world. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. ओशन जो है ह्यूज वाटर बॉडीज होते हैं. 5 ओशंस होते हैं पूरे वर्ल्ड में. पैसिफिक ओशन, these are the 5 oceans. I have already read it. The Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world. It separates Asia and Australia from the America. The Indian Ocean separates Africa and Australia. It is the only ocean named after a country. The Atlantic ocean separates Asia and Africa from the America. The Antarctic Ocean surrounds Antarctica. It is also called the Southern Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is located near the North Pole. सो जो पैसिफिक ओशन है दैट इज़ द बिगेस्ट ओशन इन द वर्ल्ड एंड ये सेपरेट करता है एशिया एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया को अमेरिका से, एंड इंडियन ओशन सेपरेट करता है अफ्रीका एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया को. ये ओनली ओशन है जो कि एक कंट्री के आफ्टर नेम है. एंड अटलांटिक ओशन सेपरेट करता है एशिया एंड अफ्रीका को अमेरिका से, एंड अंटार्कटिक ओशन सराउंड करता है अंटार्कटिका के वाया, एंड ये इसको हम सदर्न ओशन भी कहते हैं. ओके, एंड जो आर्कटिक ओशन है ये नॉर्थ पोल के नियर में लोकेटेड है. Then next we have mental development, reshuffle, rearrange the letters to get the correct word. First is land. Second is river. Third is ocean. Then fourth is continents. Fifth is water. Sixth is Antarctica. Next we have improving vocabulary, new words, continents, huge land masses on the earth, and seas or oceans, the largest water bodies on the earth. There is a fact file. Antarctica is the home to emperor penguins. Arctic is home to the polar bears. जो Antarctica है that is home for penguins and Arctic is home for polar bears. Next thing we have, let's recall, the water bodies cover nearly 70% part of the earth. जो water bodies है वो 70% part अर्थ के कवर करती है. एशिया, अफ्रीका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, अंटार्कटिका, यूरोप एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया आर दी 7 continents in the world. These are the 7 continents. Then Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean are the 5 oceans in the world. These are the 5 oceans in the world. And Asia is the biggest continent. Asia सबसे बड़ा continent है. Australia is the smallest continent. Australia सबसे छोटा continent है. Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean सबसे बड़ा ocean है पूरे world में. Next exercise, problem solving. A, take the correct option. First, what is our earth made up of? A, land. B, water. C, both. Answer is both. Then second we have, what are the huge land masses on the earth known as? A, continents. B, oceans. C, both. Answer is continents. Then third, what are the largest water bodies on the earth known as? A, seas. B, oceans. C, both. Answer is both. Then fourth, how many continents are there in the world? A, 5. B, 6. C, 7. Answer is 7. Next, fifth, how many seas and oceans are there in the world? A, 5. B, 6. C, 7. Answer is 5. Then B, fill in the blanks. First, dash is the largest continent in the world. Answer is Asia. Second, Australia is also sometimes known as dash Oceania. And third, dash is the smallest continent. Answer is Australia. Then fourth, dash ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Answer is Pacific Ocean. Then fifth, the dash ocean is known as the South Ocean. Answer is Antarctic Ocean. Next we have C, write true or false for the following. First, there are 6 oceans in the world. False. Second, huge land masses are called continents. True. Third, the Indian Ocean is the biggest ocean. False. Fourth, Australia is the smallest continent. True. Fifth, Asia. This is the correct spelling. Asia and Africa are completely surrounded by water. False. Then writing skill, D, answer the following question. First, what is meant by a continent? The landmass on the surface of Earth is called continent. There are 7 continents on the Earth. You can write this answer by yourself. Then second, name the continents of the world. The continents of the world are first Asia, second Africa, third Antarctica, fourth North America, fifth South America, and Australia, Europe. Okay. You can write this answer as well by yourself. Then third, list all the seas and oceans in the world. There are 5 oceans in the world. First is Pacific Ocean, second is Atlantic Ocean, third is Indian Ocean, fourth is Arctic Ocean, fifth one is Southern Ocean, or you can say it Antarctic Ocean as well. You can write this answer as well by yourself. Then fourth, define the term ocean. Ocean is the water bodies present on the earth. This one as well you can write it by yourself. Then fifth, write about the division of the earth. The earth is divided into the land and water. Okay, you can write this answer by yourself. Then higher order thinking skill. Were there 7 continents on the earth from the very beginning? Find out about it. क्या स्टार्टिंग से ही 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स थे अर्थ पर? एंड हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है. यू कैन रिसर्च ऑन दिस टॉपिक एंड यू कैन डू write the answer by yourself. Okay. Then creative learning, creative skill. Color the seas and oceans in blue and continents in green. So seas and ocean को blue में color करना है and continents को green में. You can do this work by yourself. In the end, we have critical thinking, life skill. On a chart paper, write the names of all the 7 continents. Now write at least the names of 5 countries that are located in each of these continents. So एक चार्ट पेपर लेना है, उसमें सारे कॉन्टिनेंट्स का नाम लिखना है एंड देन उसके बाद हर एक कॉन्टिनेंट में जो 5 कंट्रीज है, एटलीस्ट 5 कंट्रीज राइट करनी है उनका नेम. ओके, यू कैन डू दिस वर्क बाय योरसेल्फ. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.